Hello, Chang. Good evening. Hello. Can you hear teacher? Hi, good evening, Chang. Good evening, good evening. And welcome to our class for today. So how are you
Tại sao
today?
nhưng mà con đang học?
Con
Can
không
you
có thì không có mấy được. Loa như biết.
can you hear teacher? Jang?
Lên đấy nghe.
Hello. Hello. Good
Loa. Loa.
good evening, good evening. How are you today? Hello, where is Nam? Okay, wait, let me just chat Nam. Hello, where are
Nói đi.
Hello,
Đúng
Jang.
rồi.
Good, good evening, Jang. How are you today? Oh, there is Nam. I think this is Nam. Is this Nam?
Đứng sau đó nữa.
Hello. Is this Nam?
Đứng sau đó nữa.
Nam? Nam. Hello?
What?
Oh, that is Nam. Hello, Nam. Good evening to the both of you. So welcome again to our class. So for today, so both of you, we will play bamboozle about our
Puzzle.
yes,
Okay.
yes, about our preposition on and under. Okay. So make sure in this each of this preposition you will answer it in a complete sentence. Okay? Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready? So we will spin the wheel. Who will
Yes.
Okay, wait. Who will be the first one? Okay, can you type what is your team name? Oh, it's Nam. Ooh. Okay, team one is Nam. What is your team name? Nam. Can you type? What is your team name? And also Jang. And we will choose what kind of game we will play. Oh, it's classic. Okay, so we will play class. Okay, what is your team name?
Acha.
Namkan? That is your team name? Okay, I will put that. Okay, wait.
Not like.
Ronaldo Jr. Okay, wait. It's loading. Wait, so oh, look, what happened? Oh, why can't we play this one? What is happening with Bamboozle?
Oh.
Yeah, what is happening? Hmm. Hello. Can we play today? How about this one? Let's try this one. Why can't we play?
Present.
What is happening with Bamboozle? Okay, let me just open it. What is happening? Wait, it's loading. So your team name, Jang, is Namkan? Are you sure?
Yes.
You're you're so playful, ah. It's so loading. What is happening with the internet right now? Oh no, I think we cannot play. Oh, this one is loading now. Yeah. I think we cannot play. Oh no, what is happening? Okay, just wait. Let me just fix. Wait. Uh, what's happening? Wait. Bamboo cell. Bamboo cell, bamboo cell. On, under. I think bamboo cell is in maintenance today.
It's in the
Yeah. Hmm. Oh no, we cannot play bamboo cell. What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? It's lagging. I think we cannot play. Oh, can you see
a
that?
super loud game.
Yeah, it's super lagging. We cannot play today. Is it okay? We will play next time. Is it okay? It's not working. I don't know why. Is it okay if we play next time?
Bye.
Oh, it's too early. We will just have our lesson today. Bye. So we will not play bamboozle because it's not working. We'll see. But if I search Google, it's okay. If I search bamboozle, it's not working. I think there's a problem. Yeah, there's a problem with. I know why. Wait, I know why. Wait, because I'm not signed in. Wait, so loading. We cannot play bamboozle. Is it okay if we will just learn something today and after that we will play bamboozle? It's okay? Is it okay? Hello? Can you hear teacher?
Okay.
Because it's not working. We cannot open the bamboozle. Yeah, so we cannot play. So we will just learn today your new lesson. Tanan! So we are in lesson number 17. Okay, since we cannot play bamboozle, so we will just
Pizza is in a rocket.
in a rocket?
Is reading a to the
Huh? What did you say?
in
Teacher?
chat.
Okay. Where? Where? Where is your chat? I cannot see.
With me.
Okay, sure. Faster. I will still check bamboozle if it's okay. But if it's not, so we will just have our lesson because our bamboozle, so we will also use this different kinds of preposition or reading A to Z. Huh? Reading A to Z? What's that?
Okay.
Okay. It's a website. I think bamboozle is not working today, so we will just play next time. Okay, so for our lesson for today, Nam and Jang, so we have in and on, not under. Why under is here? In and on. In and out, I mean. In and out. So when we say in, it means that something is inside or inside a place. Like, for example, I have here a box. Okay, so I have here a pen. So if I put it inside the box, so we can say the pen is in the box. Okay, so we use it to describe when something is inside of something. Okay, when we say out, so if I get the pen in the box, so now the pen is out of the box. Okay, I think you have prior knowledge of this in and out. So now let's try to make it in a sentence with this story that we have.
Teacher,
Okay,
my poop. My poop.
my poop. This one. Who is in the car?
The monkey. Poop.
It is the poop. You're so
The poop.
iwi. You're so iwi, Jang. Iwi iwi. The poop.
The
Okay,
the big.
I will remove the pen because it's not connected with the lesson. Okay. Uh, who is in the car? The monkey.
The monkey. The monkey.
The monkey is in the car. So that is how we. Oh, you're eating. What are you eating today, Nam? Rice?
I eat.
I eat. What did you eat today? Both of you. What did you eat? Right now, I eat rice and fish. How about you, Nam? What are you eating? And Jang, what did you eat today? Fishball? Huh?
No, people.
Fitball?
People.
People?
Yeah.
Oh, you are a cannibal. You know cannibal? Those people who eat people, it is called as cannibal. But it's very wrong to be like this. I think you're eating rice because I can see white things in your mouth. How about you, Jang? What did you eat for today?
Poop.
Huh?
I eat poop.
Poop.
I eat tomato.
You're so easy. You always say poop. You like
Poop. I eat your tomato.
Milo?
No.
Huh? I eat
My
no?
room. My room. My
Bathroom?
room.
My room?
Yes.
This one?
Yes. Yes.
Your room is big. You eat your room?
No, I eat the computer.
Computer. Uh, computer is so
Yeah.
big. It's not fit in your mouth. How do you
It's
eat?
very small. It's small other. No, it's very small.
Oh, your computer is very small? Really? Is it
My
mine?
my parent is
My
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 parent is 1 year old. My mom is 2 year old. My sister is 3 year old. My grandpa is 4 year old. My grandma is 5 year old.
Oh, your brother is older than your parents?
My 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 brother 6 years old.
Your brother is older than your mother and father?
Yes.
Okay. So next, how do we describe this in a sentence? How do we describe the what is this? What animal is this?
It's a Ah,
It's
duck
out.
die.
Oh, we can
Duck
play
die.
bamboozle now, I think. Wait,
Duck die.
let me just
Duck
check.
die. Duck die.
Wait. Let me just check. Let me check if we can play bamboozle. No, it's still loading, huh? Okay, while waiting for the bamboozle, so this one. What animal is this again? What
It's a
animal?
dog. A dog.
Very, very
No,
good.
it's a rabbit. It's a
It's a
rabbit.
rabbit. Okay, so where is the rabbit? Where is the rabbit?
The rabbit is in the sky.
In the sky?
In the sky.
Are you sure?
In the ocean. In the ocean.
Do we use the preposition in?
In the no. In the sky.
Do we use the preposition in?
In the Minecraft. In the
Are you
Minecraft.
sure? And
Yes.
you are all wrong.
It's in the rabbit is in the sky.
No, you are all wrong. So this one, the dog or the rabbit is outside. It's not in the sky. Because when we say in the sky or in, if we use in,
I can see the dog can fly.
the dog can fly because it jumped. It jumped out of the car. Oh no,
It fly.
it jumped. It do not fly or it does not fly because dog or rabbits, they don't have wings. Oh, I cannot still open the bamboozle. Oh, no.
Okay. My mom is a dog. My sister is a tiger. My baby sister is a sister. My grandma is a rabbit. My father, my grandfather is a dog.
dog.
A sheep. Sheep.
Your family is an animal?
Yes. Sheep is poop. Sheep
Poop.
is poop.
Oh no, I will tell your mother that they are poop. Oh no. Okay, so again, this one, we use the preposition out because as you can see, the dog it's outside, not inside.
The dog died.
That we can say the dog is out of the sky. Oh, we can say that one because it's outside. Yes.
Bye bye now time.
Okay, next. How about this one? Where is the monkey?
The monkey is in the bucket.
Very good. The monkey is in the wagon. This one that you can see, this is the wagon. How about the dog?
Teacher, the monkey tail is behind the bucket.
Very behind the? Is
Bucket.
is it behind? Are you sure? Look
No.
look at the shadow of the monkey's body. So we can see it's inside the wagon. So it's not behind. Do you know?
A solar panel?
Yes, I know. We have that one. We have it in our house. Yes.
Do you know the electricity?
Electricity, yes. We use electricity to be online, to use computer. I use electricity right now because I'm using a computer. Do you want to see my computer? I have two. I have two monitors. Do you want to see? Tanan! My computer. I have two monitors. This is my computer. Ching. It's so messy. Oh, there are you. Oh,
They are small.
Nam and Jang are in the computer. You can see
Oh,
yourself.
in the book. Teacher is in the living room.
This one is not a living room. This is my bedroom. Oh, it's just so messy, but it's my bedroom. Tinin. That's my bedroom. It's very messy. I'm in my bedroom. China. That is China's flag. Okay, now let's take a look at the dog. Where is the dog?
Is on the wagon.
On the wagon?
No, on the wagon.
On the wagon? Is it inside or
On the
outside?
wagon.
On the?
Outside.
Okay, so out of the wagon. Okay, where is the dog? The dog
The dog is on the hoop.
on the hoop. Okay, and look at this animal. What animal is that? Nam and Jang.
It's a squirrel. A
Very
squirrel.
good. Squirrel. So now let's take a look at the picture. What other preposition that we can use in this picture?
The dog is
The dog
catching
is?
the squirrel.
Huh? It's catching? This one? Catching? Is this a preposition? No, it's not. So we can say next to. No, look. Next to. The dog is next to the
I
squirrel.
can see teacher is next to the monkey.
Me? Oh, next to me. I am next to the monkey? I am next to
No,
my...
teacher, I can see teacher on the right of me.
On the right of... you can see me on the right side.
Teacher,
Yes.
I'm in the background.
You're in a bedroom?
No, background. In the
What?
steel of three rods.
What's that?
6, 7.
6, 7? 6, 7? Okay, so
Yes.
next. So next, let's have this one. Where is the monkey?
The
Out?
monkey in the boat. On the boat.
Where? Oh, we cannot use on the box. The monkey is
I'm in the poop. And I in the poop.
you're in the poop. Oh no, Jang is so dirty. He's in the poop. Yup. You are always in the poop. Is it your favorite food?
Yes.
Oh no. You're so dirty. I will tell your mother that you eat poop. Eat poop. Okay, so very good. The monkey is in the boat because as we can see, so the monkey is jumping inside the boat. Okay, so next, where is the dog?
Oh, the dog is at the boat.
Okay, we say the dog is out of
the boat.
the boat. Very good. Out of the boat. Good job. Next, let's have another. Okay, where is the monkey? Where's the monkey?
The monkey's in the house.
Very good. The monkey is in the house. Next, where is the dog?
The dog is at the house.
Very good. The dog is out of the house. Good job. Next, where is the monkey?
The monkey is in the water.
Good.
Water.
Very, okay, very good. The monkey is in the water poop. No, it's not a water poop. Oh, look at the water. It's so clean. Okay, next. Where is the dog?
The dog is out the water.
Okay, don't.
dog is out of the water.
Very good. The dog is out of the water. Next, where is the monkey?
The monkey is in the grass.
Very good. The monkey is in the grass. And next, where's the dog?
The dog is out of the grass.
Very good. The dog is out of the grass. Good job. So that is how we use in and out. Next, where's the monkey?
The monkey is in the mud.
The monkey is
In the mud.
in the mud. Okay, very good. Let's say mud.
Mud.
Okay, where's the dog?
The dog is out the mud.
Okay, very good. The dog is out the mud.
Of the mud.
Okay, very good. And what is the other preposition that we can use in this? So we can see here, there is, what animal is this?
A pig. A pig
Pig.
is on the left of the dog.
Okay, so we can say it shorter. So we can say the dog or the pig or the dog is next to the pig. Okay, so we can just say it to make it shorter. The dog is next to the pig. So that is another preposition that we can use to describe where is something. And next, where is the monkey?
The bathtub.
The bathtub. The monkey is
In the bathtub.
Very good.
The
The monkey is in the bathtub. How about the dog? Where is the
dog
dog?
is out of the bathtub.
Very good. The dog is out of the bathtub. And next, again, let's answer
Monkey is on the
on.
is in the boat.
Very good. In the boat. Okay, next. Where is the dog?
The dog is out of the water.
Very good. The dog is out of the water. Next.
The monkey is in the car.
In the park. In the car. Very good.
The
Next.
dog is out the grass.
Out the grass
Yes.
or out of the grass?
Out
Oh,
of the grass.
Okay, so out of the grass.
Out of the grass.
Only one. Just one. Out of the grass, not the. Out of the grass. Okay, don't forget the of the. The poop is in the grass. Next,
The
where
monkey is on the water.
on the water? Are you sure? Are you-
Water. It's
In the
bathtub.
very good. In the bathtub. Next, where is the dog?
The dog is out of the mud.
Very good. Out of the mud.
Why? But they have water.
Huh? There are water.
This picture have water.
Okay, let me go back. This one? Water?
Yes.
Oh, do you know sweat? Do you know sweat?
No. Yes.
It might be the sweat of the dog or the pig.
No sweet. No sweet.
It's not sweet. Sweet is like this. It's
Teacher,
sweat.
she's eat. I see it.
I see.
Yes,
What is
I
what
see.
is
See it.
I see it? Okay, next. Where is the monkey going?
The monkey is going along.
The monkey is
It's riding a Lamborghini.
riding. Okay, so we can say the monkey is going in the Lamborghini. Okay, again, where is the monkey? The monkey is going in, so we will use the preposition in the Lamborghini. So now I have a question for you. Is it dangerous to jump into the car? Oh,
No.
really?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, yes and no. Okay. So let's start with Nam. Why it is not dangerous to jump into the car?
Because it's not a people.
Oh, because it's not a people. Because it's not a person. But what if it's a person that is jumping into the car? What if it's a person that is jumping in the car? Is it dangerous unlike the animal?
No, it's not dangerous. It's
Really?
done.
Can you jump? Can you jump
Yes.
into a
I
moving
can
car?
jump.
Into a moving car?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, you might.
Cheetah don't have
Don't have
body. That don't have a body.
Yeah, because because he is wearing green.
The green. And the
Green.
green.
Green t-shirt, and it's the same.
I see the head. I see the head.
Jang is a ghost. I think Jang is a ghost.
Yes, that is a monster. It
Jang,
not have a body.
Jang is a monster. Okay, next. Where is the dog going?
Dog going out of the car.
Very good. Is it not a Lamborghini?
Yes. No.
Okay.
Lamborghini.
Okay, we can say
McLaren.
oh, McLaren. Okay, we can say McLaren. The dog is going out of the McLaren. Okay, and next, did the dog jump out of the car through the window? Yes or
Yeah.
no? Really? Are you sure? Did the dog jump through the window? Yes or no?
What?
Okay, did the dog jump out of the car through or using the window?
Yeah.
Are you sure? It's a no. As we can see here, the car or the door of the car is open. So meaning, so the dog jumped out through the door, not the window. So if we can erase this one, we can erase the open door. So for example, like this is the look of the picture of the car. So the door or the car of the door is closed. So the window is open. So this is the time that the dog jumps through the window. But since in this picture, so it is open. The door is open. So
Today
meaning
we not play bamboozle.
Bamboozle is not working right now. You can try it in yours. I cannot open my Bamboozle. Really, really. Oh, look. I will show it to you, huh? I cannot log in. Okay. I will try to log in. This is my Okay, let's see. Let's see if it will log in. Oh, it's not working. It's just loading. I think they are on a maintenance.
They working.
Yeah, it's not working. But my an unexpected error occurred. Means there is something wrong with their what do you call that? With their website. So let's try. Let's try opening other Bamboozle. Oh, this one I can open this one. But this one is not Bamboozle. But in Bamboozle, I cannot open. Can you see my screen? How's this? There is no points in this. There is no points. Unlike the Bamboozle. Do you know any games?
Yes.
What game?
A
Us.
Socran game.
What game?
A Socran.
What's that? Is it also the same like Bamboozle?
No.
See, oh no, it's not the same. Oh, Bamboozle is not opening. That's why we cannot play.
I know another game.
What game?
Oh, it's for fine. Nice,
Oh, let's try. Let's
nice
try.
car. It's super great.
It's still loading. Why is that?
We can play Classic Junior or Quiz.
We cannot play. Oh, I cannot click it.
We play Scratch.
Huh? Yeah, we cannot play. It's just loading. Yeah, next time, okay, we will play. So let's just finish our lesson. Okay, is that okay? Oh, I cannot click it. It's loading. It's not working. Oh, let me try again. Let me try signing in.
Or
I don't know why. I think there is a problem in their page. Can you?
yeah, only
If
18 minutes.
18 minutes, yes. If the Zoom meeting ends, so please enter again, okay? Because I only have 40 minutes in my Zoom. So enter again in the meet, okay? Oh, I cannot see. It's not loading. So we will just continue our lesson. Okay? So we will play next time, Bamboozle. We cannot play right now. They are having problems with their website. Okay. Next. Next one. Oh, can you tell teacher what are the differences in the two pictures?
The monkeys in the box and the dog is out of the box.
Wow, very good. The dog is out of
And
the.
and the monkey box is blue and
Mhm.
the dog box is brown.
Very good. The
And
dog.
and these waters don't have a oh what the dog is
Huh? Is it
no
blue? Is it blue or purple?
a purple
Where is that? Oh, yes, it's
purple
purple.
and blue.
Purple and blue. Yes, very good. It's purple and blue. Okay, now, how about the
And
water?
the monkey's water don't have a fish. And the dog water have a fish.
Okay, very good. Have a fish. Hello again. It ended because I only have 40 minutes. Oh, there is Nam. Hello.
Where's not?
There.
Where's not?
Yeah, there.
Oh
Oh,
my God.
oh my God, what is happening? Okay, very
It's
poop.
poop.
Okay, very good, Nam. So when we can see the monkey, so the monkey is going in the boat. However, the dog is going out of the boat. So there are difference in the color of the boat, of the dog, and the
So, eh, 50
monkey.
minutes.
20
Only
minutes, yeah. Only 20 minutes. We cannot play
50
bamboozle.
minutes. 50 minutes.
Is it 15?
Oh, it is 14.
14?
No,
Na
it's 12 minutes.
12 minutes?
12 minutes.
Yeah, it's 12 minutes. Yeah. Okay, so this one. Okay, so next. Okay, next question. How did the monkey go inside the house? How did the monkey go inside the house?
The
Is it
window.
okay? Very good. So the monkey go through the window.
The and the poop.
No poop. I will delete that. Okay, the monkey went in through the window. Very good. Good job. Next, how about in this one? Can the dog go out through the window in this
No,
picture?
because
Mm-hmm. No, because do you do
because
taekwondo? No, I don't do. No, I don't. Okay, no, because. No,
the monkey
because.
is really fat.
Huh?
Because the monkey is really fat.
The monkey is really fat?
Yes.
The monkey is really fat? Really? You are. The monkey is not
No,
fat.
the cat. The cat.
Ah, this is a cat? This one?
Yes.
Mm. How it is connected?
It's
Okay,
the house. The house is very fat.
okay, one more time. Let's say very, not belly. Very,
Very.
not belly. Can you practice it again now? Let's say very. Yeah, you can do it. Very good. Again, very. Not belly.
Blah 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 blah.
Blah, 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 blah. Very.
Blah blah blah.
Uh,
Teacher.
yes. Yes.
Teacher look like Naruto.
Look like Naruto. Who? Where?
You.
Me?
You. Yes.
Why? Because of my.
Teacher like Sakura.
Ah, really? Oh, Sakura is pretty. So it means I am pretty.
No, teacher is like Itachi.
Itachi? Who is Itachi? Let me see.
No,
Ah, this
you is
one.
Madara.
Who is? Who is
Madara.
Madara? What's that? Oh, he is handsome. Madara is handsome. Hmm.
You is
No.
Sasuke.
Oh, Sasuke is handsome also.
You is Kakashi.
Kakashi is also handsome. Yeah, teacher is handsome.
Sakura is handsome.
Sakura is a girl. Sakura is beautiful, pretty. Okay, so for this one, for this question, can the dog go out through the window? Why? So no. No. In this picture,
Because
no, because the dog cannot easily go out through the window because the window is too high and too small. Okay, so in this picture, the dog go out through the door, not the window. And for this one, monkey, so monkeys can jump very high. They can jump
teacher,
or they can.
only 10 minutes. Yes.
Is it 10 minutes or 7? Only 7 minutes. Yeah, it's 7, not 10. Okay, next. Let's move on to the next. Okay. Okay, again, how did the dog go out of the house? Nam and Jang. How did the dog
Yes.
go? How? How did the dog go out of the house? Is it through the window or through the door?
Door.
Very good. So the dog go out through the door. Uh, yes, that is how we answer the question completely. Next. Okay, let's take a look at this one. What is the dog doing?
The dog is on the grass. And what is that doing is
What is it?
the
Is it chasing the rabbit? Yes. Okay, the dog is chasing the rabbit.
the dog is chasing rabbit.
Chasing teacher. Okay. Do you think that this dog will?
I can see the dog is
Uh, oh, what happened? The dog is? What do you see? The dog is? What is the dog doing?
the dog is
The dog is jumping?
no the dog is in the dog body.
In Jang's body?
Yes.
Really? Because Jang eats dog. Do you eat dog, Jang?
Yes, I eat.
You, Nam, you eat dog.
Yes.
Really? Mm.
Yes.
Oh no.
It's a dog.
You take care of dogs. You do not eat it.
I eat dog.
You eat dog? You are the dog?
Yes, I am a dog. I eat meat.
I eat meat. Okay, so next. Let's answer the question first. Do you think that this dog will catch the rabbit?
Yes.
Yes.
Because we have 4 minutes.
Yeah, we have 4 minutes. Why, Jang? Why no? Let's start with Jang. No, because...
Yes.
Okay, wait. Let's start with Jang. Jang's answer. Why no? Why the dog cannot or will not catch the rabbit? Why no?
Yes.
Because? Yes. Yes, because
Dogs like to eat rabbit.
the dog? Yes, because
Because the dog likes to eat rabbit.
likes to eat rabbit. And in reality or in real life, dogs are very fast. And also, actually, so in real life are rabbits. Rabbits can really run fast. They can jump and jump fast. So it depends on how.
Because
Because
the rabbit is run and the dog is chasing the rabbit.
and the dog is chasing the rabbit. So we can say yes because the rabbit is running and the dog is
The rabbit is chasing and eat the poop.
Eat the poop. Okay, so that's
Why?
it. So it depends. It depends actually. So if the dog is fast, if the dog run faster, so it can chase the rabbit. But if not, if the dog is slow, it cannot chase the rabbit
We have
because
2 minutes.
yeah, 2 minutes. Next time we will play bamboozle. Okay.
We will play. We will play one classic junior, one quiz, one. No, 2 classic junior,
The
one
classic one.
one classic, one quiz,
One
2
kiss.
classic junior.
Oh, okay, next time. Next time, a teacher will not be your teacher. Yeah, because I will be on leave.
Teacher in
Yes.
teacher.
Next time, I will not be your teacher next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Because
Why?
I will be on leave. I have upcoming exam and I need to review. Yeah, so I need to rest and I will not teach until August 21. Yeah, so you will be assigned to other teacher starting on Thursday. So I will not see you until August 21. Oh no. But don't worry. So I will tell your new teacher to make you play bamboozles. Okay? Especially in this,
Yes.
yes, especially in our lesson. So this one, preposition. So next time I will tell your new teacher. Okay? So since we only have 1 minute, so see you again soon, Nam and Jang. So be kind to your new teacher, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I will see you again next August, August 21, if you still want me to be your teacher. So goodbye, Nam and Jang, and see you again soon. So make sure, okay, to be kind. Bye bye, Nam.